All right, let's be honest. We've all seen this movie before. A new phone drops, the company promises magic. And what do we get? The same design with a few tweaks and a new wallpaper. But this time, Google might just be taking the crown for playing it safe. Because the Pixel 10 lineup, according to fresh leaks, is starting to feel less like an upgrade and more like a déjà vu sequel. Now, let's rewind for a second. About 3 months ago, early renders of the Pixel 10 Pro and its taller twin, the Pixel 10 Pro XL, started floating around. And yeah, they looked almost identical to the Pixel 9 series, like, did anything change at all? Levels of similar. Fast forward to now, and we've got a new leak, courtesy of Android headlines dropping full-spec sheets for both phones. And honestly, the upgrades feel like a checklist of bare minimums. Starting with the biggest change, the new Tensor G5 chip. But before the deep dive into the video, a quick reality check. Over 98% of you watching right now aren't subscribed. That's wild. Hitting that button doesn't just grow this channel. It genuinely keeps me motivated to keep digging, scripting, and dropping the best leaks and updates before anyone else. If you made it this far, chances are you're into it. So why not make it official? Thanks, and let's dive in. Finally, it's moving away from Samsung's 4 nanometers process and over to TSMC's 3 nanometers, which should mean better performance and improved efficiency. Great news, right? Sure. But let's be real. A new chip is expected. It's like the least a flagship should bring to the table these days. Next up, the battery. The Pixel 10 Pro is getting a modest bump from 4,700 to 4,870 milliamps. And wired charging? A thrilling leap from 27 watts to 29 watts. I know, try to contain your excitement. As for the display and camera setup, it's basically a copy-paste job. Same screen sizes, same resolution, and camera megapixels that feel like they've been stuck in a time loop. Now in Google's defense, their image processing has always been top tier, so there's a chance the camera experience improves even if the hardware doesn't. But right now, that's just a hope, not a promise. Let's talk pricing. The regular Pixel 10 Pro will reportedly stick to 128 gigs of storage and a $999 price tag. No drama there. But the Pixel 10 Pro XL, that's where things get spicy and a little expensive. It's rumored to start at $1,199, up from $1,099. On the bright side, it comes with 256 gigs of storage by default. But that extra storage is basically the only real perk. The battery gets a minor lift, 5,200 milliamps versus 5,060, and wired charging bumps from 37 to 39 watts. That's not exactly mind-blowing for an extra $100. So yeah, unless Google's hiding some major surprise for launch day, which fingers crossed, this Pixel 10 series is looking more like a safe play than a bold leap forward. Same camera specs, display brightness still stuck in the same zone, and upgrades that feel like they belong in a mid-cycle refresh. But hey, all will be revealed soon. Google's expected to announce everything on August 20th, the phone's hitting shelves about a week later. Until then, we're stuck wondering, is this really the next step in Pixel evolution, or are we just watching last year's phone in a slightly shinier box? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Are you still hyped for the Pixel 10, or is this one a skip for you? Either way, thanks for sticking around, and I'll catch you in the next one. Take care.